So hope all of you can see my screen. As I said you that we will going to start the project from today onwards. So this is one project I'm going to show you. This project is based on data analysis. So let me give you the brief idea about it and then we'll do this project. So here this project is based on data analysis. Okay. This project is based on data analysis. We're going to do the analysis of the data. So before going into the deep, let me explain you. We have a COVID data set. COVID data set means the patient detail, hospital detail, whether he is confirmed or what. Let me show you the data set first and then we'll go ahead. So you can see this is the data set. Country wise, date wise, what was the scenario, everything is mentioned here. This you can see, I know you are looking at the first time this one. You are seeing this first time the data set. This is nothing but based on the country how many was the patient detected on each day from 21st January 2020 onward. We have a record of this. This data set is in the form of MMDDYY, MMDDYY, month, date, year. So based on this, we have a record. You can see here for sum of zero. Here you can find three. It means that on 26th January on Australia, that is comes under New South Wales, we found three patients. So this is one data set you have. Okay. Now in this we have a COVID-19 data set. In that data set, we're going to do analysis. What do you mean by analysis? And what's the reason of doing analysis? Analysis means by looking into the data you will get an idea like how many patients they are confirmed, how many patients they are detected on particular countries and all. For example, if I give you a data set like this, Bangalore, the number of the total population, suppose around 17 crore. Just I'm giving you an example. Suppose the total population is 17 crore. Okay, the confirmed cases that they are detected was 2 crore. 2 crore patients were detected on in a Bangalore uh, that COVID, and if I talk about other city, that Mumbai will having suppose 35 crore population, and there 15 crore citizens are detected as a COVID. Okay. Similarly, other metro cities like Kolkata, the total population is around 25 crore, and they are detected 10 crore citizens as a COVID. Okay. Similarly, in Hyderabad, the total population is 15 crore, and they are detected around 3 crore, or you can say like 1 crore citizen as a COVID. Okay. So now, if I give you this data set, and I will ask you few questions. Which city do you feel are more uh, prone to this COVID one, more dangerous city that if you go there, your chance of being detected COVID is high. So based on this data, based on the record, you say that you will make some assumption, you will see the record, and you will say that Mumbai is a city like there, the chance of being detected by the COVID or diagnosed COVID or being attacked by COVID virus is more, right? So how you do the analysis based on the record. Similarly, the data analysis means you do analysis on the data. Okay, by looking into the data, you do analysis. What analysis you do? You do analysis like whether it's a COVID or what, right? So like this, we do the data analysis. Now here, how you're going to do this in the Google Cloud? Uh, how you can perform this on the Google Cloud? Okay. So in order to perform this on the Google Cloud, what you require, just open the tab, type Google Colab. This Google Colab is a free service given by the Google Cloud. You can use it. Okay. Now the question is, you might ask me question, but sir, we are not opening any Google Cloud interface. There also same thing you can do it. There the option you can do it with AI Vortex Notebook. I will going to show you, but that will be chargeable. So when we work on the company, we do that. Otherwise we don't. So like this, first you open this like Google Colab as you type it here. Let me show you once again. As you type Google Colab, first step Google Colab type. Then you click on this. Welcome to Google Collaboratory. Now here you can upload file from your Google Drive, GitHub, upload also. Just remember one thing. This is a Notepad file. What file will going to run here? Notepad file. And this Notepad file having extension with this. The extension of file will be IPYNB. This will be the extension of the file. And you can see here, if I open the file, let me show you. You can see this is the Google Colab file which is having IPYNB, Jupyter Notebook extension of this file. So like this you have to upload it here, and once you upload it, the file will be appear to you like this. Okay, this is the free Colab service you can see here, and here you can see I have a RAM and hard disk also. Means to run this single platform is very efficient. You can see it is providing you the RAM of around 13 GB and hard disk of around 107 GB just for this code. So you can think it how much powerful this Google Colab will be. Just for running your code, this single code, it means you are providing by this RAM service and hard disk by the Google Colab, which is 13 GB. You can see here. If I put the cursor over it, then you can see here it is 13 GB and hard disk of 107, right? So like this, you get it. Now we'll do the analysis. We'll start doing that. So this is the COVID data analysis project I took it. Now you might be thinking like, what is this? This is the library that you have to import while running the code. This NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, this all library you need while working on the code. NumPy, why do we need? Because we are working on the numeric data. So this NumPy will going to read the data in the form of array. How many of you are aware about C language, C programming? How many of you are aware about C programming? You might have learned this C programming in your first semester. Are you aware about the C programming?